Hello and welcome back. Now that we know the underlying framework of non-local means, let's just demo it in real time. Non-local means denoising works using the resources in the image processing online journal. This is a website that I have provided the link in the webpage for this class. It's a journal that has a lot of online algorithms for image processing, and I strongly suggest that you visit it if you want to play with a lot of the state-of-the-art in image processing. So the journal has first the full description of the algorithm. It has also code that you can download and use in your own computer, but also has an online demo, and that's what we are going to do next. You can upload your own images, or you can basically use images already available on the website just to illustrate and to help you understand the algorithm better. So let's just pick this image, for example, and it's here, and we're going to run the algorithm. We're going to add some noise to the image to see how non-local means will denoise that, and we are going to ask it to run. So now it's running. We see this. This algorithm can be made run very fast, but now it's running on the server, and it's running on an implementation that is not optimized for that. But here we have the result. So we see, let's just illustrate the details. We see here is the noisy image, basically the original image with the added noise. And now we see the denoise image. Again, this is the noisy image, this is the denoise image, and this is the original. So we see that there are differences, but certainly the denoise image is much better than the noisy image. And we can actually see the difference between the denoise image and the original image. Once again, this is the noisy image, the denoise image, the original image, and the difference. Let's just run with a different image. So let's just select a new input here, and we can pick a different image. For example, this dice. And we can pick a different level of noise and just put a lot of noise to see what happens here. And let's just run it. And once again, while this is running, remember, the goal of in non-local means is to look for regions. Say, okay, if I want to denoise this region, I'm going to look for similar regions around and average them. The larger the noise, the more the algorithm will take, because it's going to try to average more and more patches to help us reduce the noise even further. So here is again the noisy image. The algorithm has finished. This is the noisy. This is the denoise image. This is the original. And this is the difference. So we think it has done a very, very good job in denoising this image. Noisy, denoise. Noisy, denoise. Original image, and the difference. This image doesn't have a lot of texture, and that's why these type of algorithms work really, really well. When there is a lot of texture, the algorithm still works very well, but for every image denoising algorithm, dealing with texture is a bit more difficult. So let's just conclude this by showing this once again: noisy, denoise, original, and difference. And once again, you can just go into the IPOL.im website and play with this or any other algorithm that is available there, and you can upload your own images and see how it works. Thank you, and see you in the next video.